Now, what are we going to do next? Let's set up a server. In our case, we're going to install a virtual server 2019. Can't do any networking experiments without that, right? So let's click new. Let's call it Skills Campus Server 2019. Now, don't forget, make sure you check your version. Pick the correct version. So Windows 2019. Fortunately, it's not labeled as Server 2019, but this is the correct one. Again, I've got quite a bit of RAM on my host machine, so let's go with 4096 or 4 gigs of RAM. Create a new hard drive. Dynamically allocated, 50 gigs more than enough for our purposes. And let's start. Exactly like in our previous video, brand new virtual machine, no operating system. So we need to give it the ISO, server ISO in my case, and we need to restart the machine. And now starting to install Server 2019. If you pay close attention, you'll actually notice installing a server operating system is much easier, much more easier, faster actually as well, compared to installing a Windows 10 copy. So let's do this. Again, I'm going to choose English New Zealand. There we go. Install. I'm going to install the standard desktop experience version because I love my mouse and it's a learning virtual machine, so that would make life a lot easier. Accept the license. Clean install. No partitioning, so let's use up the whole thing. It should start installing shortly. As per normal, not to bore you guys, I'm going to speed up the video. Again, don't forget, we need to ensure settings that the network settings is Intel network again. Why? Because we want our Windows 10 and our Server 2019 to be able to talk to one another, or in this case, network together. Almost done. So quick restart shortly. Couple of standard pre-installation questions. We should be good to go in a couple of minutes. Again, just to speed up the video. So in this case, you will see that the default username is going to be administrator. This can be changed later once we've actually completed the installation. But let's put in a password. Oops. If only I know how to type properly. And there we go. It's as simple as that. Now, the only difference between Windows 10 install and a server install, in order to log in for a server, you need to hit the Control, Alternate, and Delete buttons. Again, if this was a real physical machine, Control, Alternate, Delete is what you need to hit. But on Oracle VirtualBox, you need to hit the right Control button together with the Delete key at the same time. Pop in your password, the one that you just set, and boom, congratulations, your first server install. Pretty simple, isn't it? See you at the next episode.